So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cleaning my master bedroom again. It has been a while since I've actually cleaned the room. I've been quite busy, so today I definitely want to catch up on changing everything out. So I'm going to be removing all of the bedding off the bed, and I'm going to take them down into the laundry room to wash them, and I'm also going to be changing out the pillows. So the faux fur pillows that I use as decorative pillows on the bed, I got those from Home Goods. The blue ones that I'm adding on, I picked up from IKEA last year, and they're 26 by 26. I will say IKEA has some great pillow covers. So now that I have everything moved off the bed, I'm going to go ahead and start sweeping. So I'm going to move that bachelor's hutch, and then I also have to clean Babe's drawer out. I had gotten her some clothes and she never put them up, so now I'm just going to kind of fold them and put them up for her. That way she has access to them whenever she's ready to use them. So the laundry is all done. I went on ahead and I got that mattress top to go back on the bed, and then I went on ahead and I got new bedding from out the linen closet. This one, you guys may have seen this before. I got it from Home Goods. It's Nicole Miller, I believe, and it's white and it has just like little gray circles on it. It's really nice. So I'm just laying that on the bed, and once I get done, I'm gonna add my duvet. I'm going to add the coverlet, and that will be that.
Got me feeling like ooh, I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh, and then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na, Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to his Atlanta.
So here goes my bed, and the bedding is actually the duvet that I said that I was absolutely in love with in the previous video. I put that down and it just looks so good. These two pillows are the ones that were on the sofa. I just opted to put them on the bed just for looks, but I do want to find some pillows for the bed. And then of course I changed the back pillows, which is like really good and look real nice. So that's that. I did not show you guys this coverlet, but I did have I bought this also. I want to say it was $50. I think I spent like a total of maybe like 4 something on like all the bedding, but I really do love this. My room looks really, really nice. So the new piece in the master bedroom is this console table. I'll do a whole video on it. So for right now, just remember that you saw it, and this is from Uttermost, and it looks so good. I am absolutely loving it. And then of course I cleaned my mirror, and it looks so good. Yes, it does. I think it looks so good. So here is the sitting area in the master. I did clean and vacuum the area down, and there goes the fireplace, and it just looks so good. I haven't placed a TV up there yet just because, you know, I'm not really good when it comes to electronic. I'm gonna let babe handle all of that. But I really do love everything. Like, let me just stand over here, and you guys can get like a whole like panorama view of the master. So in right here, if you look, so now I'm going to get questions. This fireplace was delivered first, and after taking a look and the excitement kind of wore off, I noticed that it had a scratch on it. So it's not like super major, but for the price that I spent, you see the scratch and then that right there. So literally within like 3 days, they had me a brand new fireplace. The only issue is I'm waiting for the company to give me info on when the freight is going to come to pick this up. So right now it's in the master. I don't want to put it in the garage, and I don't want to bring it downstairs until I know like I'm definitely moving it. So it's going to be there for a little bit. Let me stand back. But this is how everything is looking this morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. All right, so here's the view from the window over here, and here's my bedroom. That's that console table, you guys. Oh, it looks so good. I cannot wait to actually like share the information with you on that. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy my clean with me, and I will see you on the next one. But I have a surprise. I do have some boxes downstairs, so I'm gonna head downstairs. I'm gonna do a haul. I'm gonna do something else, and then I have to go out and meet someone. But you guys have a really, really great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.